Understanding Light Dependent Resistors, LDRs. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of light dependent resistors, or LDRs for short. So, let's shed some light on this amazing component. An LDR is a type of resistor whose resistance decreases with increasing incident light intensity. It's made of semiconductor materials, typically cadmium sulfide. When light hits the LDR, it allows electricity to flow more easily, changing its resistance. Think of it like this: in darkness, LDRs have high resistance, which means little to no current flows through them. But when light hits them, their resistance drops, letting electricity pass. This simple principle makes LDRs incredibly useful. LDRs are used in a variety of practical devices including light sensors. They help control streetlights, automatically turning them on at dusk and off at dawn. Solar garden lights. They optimize energy usage by turning on at night when it's dark. Cameras. LDRs help adjust exposure settings for perfect images in varying light conditions. Alarm systems. They can be used as light sensors to detect intrusions based on light levels. Pretty cool, right? LDRs are essential building blocks in many electronic applications, providing smart solutions that save energy and improve functionality in our devices. That's it for our quick overview of light-dependent resistors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech content. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use LDRs in your projects.